इंडिया न्यूज आपके साथ मैं हूं रचना। सीधा रुख हम कर लेते हैं वित्त सचिव शक्तिकांत दास का, क्या कह रहे हैं सुन लेते हैं।
So that will also reduce the pressure on the banks, reduce the pressure on the cash disbursement to the public. With regard to the National Payment Corporation of India, the Reserve Bank has already advised the National Payment Corporation of India to waive its transaction charges in respect of various transactions which are settled by the through the what they call the National Financial Switch system, to waive the transaction charges. In other words, it will be less costly now for all transactions done through the which are settled by the National Payment Corporation of India. Similarly, the banks are also being advised to waive their charges in respect of the various transactions through the debit, credit card, etc. Then finally, with regard to enhancing the public convenience, as you know, government has already announced that there shall be separate queues for the senior citizens and the Divyang persons. There will be a separate queue for customers visiting bank branches to do transactions against their bank accounts, and there will be a separate queue for such people who visit the banks only for exchange of notes, that is submission of old notes and receiving the new notes. So there will be separate queues for each category so that the operations at the banks is streamlined. And with regard to again keeping in view the necessity to reduce the crowd at the bank branches, and also keeping in view the need of senior citizens, the annual life certificate which is required to be given by the pensioners during the month of November every year, the time limit has been extended up to 15th of January. And finally, the exemptions which have been granted by the government, that is cases or transactions where acceptance of old 500 rupee notes or 1000 rupee notes have been permitted or were permitted for a temporary period up to 14th November midnight, that has been extended to 24th November midnight. And this will cover all the categories. I repeat, this will cover all the categories, namely the petrol and diesel bunks, the payments in the pharmacies, the payments to the utilities, water and electricity utilities. And when we say pharmacies and water and electricity utilities, a question was raised whether also it includes private units. Yes, it does. It includes private pharmacies, it includes private discom companies also. But in respect of discom companies, as we have already said earlier, it will be for payment of bills of individuals and households in respect of their arrear bills and in respect of their current bills, and not for payment of advances. I would like to conclude by saying that the RBI has informed the meeting yesterday, chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister, that enough cash is available in the system and there is absolutely no reason for the public to feel any kind of panic. And in the days to come by, the supply of cash through various networks, through various channels, as I have explained, will be improved, and I think the situation will ease out in the coming days. Again, I would like to reiterate that enough cash is available with the Reserve Bank of India and with the entire system, and there is absolutely no reason for members of the public to feel any kind of panic. Thank you.
One by one, please.
Cash is available, sir, but the problem is the supply.
Cash is available. You said the problem is supply, and that is why all these steps have been taken. The situation
तो इस वक्त वित्त सचिव शक्तिकांत दास को आप सुन रहे हैं, जो कि बड़ी राहत की खबर लेकर आए हैं। बड़ी राहत की खबर अपने दर्शकों को हम बता दें, जो सीमा थी 2000 और 4000 की, उसे बढ़ाकर कल ही 2500 और 4500 कर दिया था। लेकिन अब बड़ी बात ये कि 30 दिसंबर तक जो आप 500 और 1000 के नोट एक्सचेंज कर सकते थे या फिर जमा कर सकते थे, उसकी अवधि अब बढ़ाकर 15 जनवरी कर दी है। अब आप 15 जनवरी तक 500 और 1000 के नोट जमा कर पाएंगे।
और उसमें से आप जो कह रहे हैं सही कह रहे हैं, कुछ एटीएम्स में शायद वो जो 100 रुपए का नोट जो दे रहे थे, 100 और 50 रुपए के नोट्स वो नहीं पहुंचे थे। लेकिन अभी उसका जो टास्क फोर्स है, वो टास्क फोर्स उनके मीटिंग आज या कल शुरू कर देंगे। वो एक डिटेल एक्शन प्लान बनाएंगे, फिर उसके बाद आपका जो नंबर आप मांग रहे हैं उसको हम दे पाएंगे।
One by one.
4-5 क्वेश्चन,
One only 3-4.
Supply may be a problem in the distant areas, but what we are experiencing is that certain branches in CP, Janpath also, like Yes Bank branch in Janpath,
one at a time, please.
ran out of cash day before yesterday at 5 o'clock in the evening. So what explains this situation at a time when the government is maintaining that there is enough cash in the system?
You see, we are replenishing the cash as and when. Currently, please remember that only 100 rupee notes are dispensed through the ATMs. Each ATM carries 4 trays. Earlier, out of the 4, 3 trays carried 1000 rupee notes and 500 rupee notes. Those 3 trays have been emptied because the old notes have to be taken out, and in that place new trays have to be installed. The hardware and the software will have to be recalibrated, tested and retested to ensure that there is no error or there is no mistake.
तो बड़ी घोषणा करते हुए बड़ी राहत आम लोगों के लिए यह है कि 30 दिसंबर तक जो नोट आप जमा कराने वाले थे वो 15 जनवरी तक अब आप करा सकेंगे, और 14 नवंबर जो डेट तय की गई थी जब 500 और 1000 के नोट इस्तेमाल